Are you struggling to create the perfect research title? You're not alone. Titles can make or break your research impact. Let's explore how to craft an effective research title that grabs attention and entices readers. A research title is your first impression. It's your study's initial communication. It serves as a signpost guiding potential readers. A well-constructed title can enhance discoverability in academic databases. First, clarity is essential. Your title should be straightforward, avoiding jargon. For example, instead of contextualizing educational outcomes, try school attendance and learning outcomes in Zambia. This title is immediately understandable. Next is concision or economy of language. Ideally, keep your title to 10 and 15 words. Longer titles can confuse readers, while overly brief titles might miss key information. Strive for balance. Specificity is crucial too. Your title should clearly reflect the focus of your study. Include the population, context, and key variables. For example, the impact of peer mentorship on first-year university students in Zambia specifies everything clearly. Now let's look at informativeness. Your title should indicate the study's key elements. If your research uses a unique methodology, mention it in the title. For instance, longitudinal analysis of crop choices after drought clearly summarizes your research's focus. Another important quality is neutrality. Avoid emotive language that suggests bias. For example, use exploring the role of NGOs instead of how NGOs have transformed. Neutrality preserves objectivity. Let's compare titles to illustrate these qualities. A weak title is mentorship and students. A strong title is the impact of peer mentorship on first-year university students in Zambia. The latter is clearer, more specific, and informative. Visibility matters as well. A well-crafted title improves academic visibility. Use relevant keywords that scholars are searching for. This increases your research's chances of being found. When selecting a research title, consider contemporary issues. Topics like business success, urban insecurity, or educational access can inspire titles that resonate. Start with issues you are passionate about. Begin by choosing keywords linked to your topic. Identify key themes. Next, brainstorm the main issues. Ask yourself questions linking independent and dependent variables. This clarifies your focus. Then, phrase your title. Once you understand your variables, formulate your title. Use phrases like the effect of or the impact of. This clearly links variables for your audience. Finally, evaluate your formulated title. Ensure clarity and specificity. Make sure independent and dependent variables are easily distinguished. A strong title might be the effect of price increase on sugar consumption in Zambia. In summary, a strong research title is brief, specific, objective-oriented, clear, and clearly indicates variables. Avoid common pitfalls like vagueness or overly complex phrasing. Now, are you ready to improve your research title? Start by applying these steps. Create a title that stands out and communicates effectively. For more tips, explore our channel and don't forget to subscribe. Join us in perfecting your research impact today.